What's something people don't know about hotel hygiene? The secret lies in cutting-edge technology that works invisibly. Keeping your hotel, spa, or restaurant germ-free is more crucial than ever. But how do you sanitize everything from textiles and blankets to TV monitors and door handles quickly and effectively? Introducing our revolutionary water-based coatings designed to offer 12 months of protection using light as the active ingredient. This technology harnesses power at the quantum level, working 70,000 times per second to clean and detox air and surfaces. Say goodbye to negative aromas, pathogens, bacteria, viruses, and mildew spores. With our innovative solution, every touch point in your establishment, from bedboards to sofas, remains pristine and safe. Ready to elevate your hygiene standards and ensure your guests feel secure? Transform your space with the future of disinfection. Contact us today at info@nanolandglobal.com, because a cleaner hotel is a better hotel.